back to my channel. My name is Kekeli, but you can call me Kelly as my channel says. How are you guys doing today? Thank you for coming. For my old and new friend, you guys are so welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I'm here with another great recipes for you today. I have these Italian recipes for you, which is chicken Alfredo. Really rich and creamy recipe that you will love for your dinner, or you have a friend coming over, you have visitors. It's a great dish that you can enjoy with your family. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into it. And don't forget, when you are here and you are enjoying this great video, don't forget to like, hit that red button that says subscribe and the bell by it, so you can be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and let's go. Let me quickly show you all the ingredients that we will need to achieve these recipes. So I have Romana cheese, I have chopped garlic, chopped onion, I have some jalapeno here, I have some Parmesan cheese and some butter. So for the first step of the recipes, I will need this chopped or diced chicken breast, and I'm gonna need this garlic powder, ginger powder, some olive oil, some black pepper, and some salt to taste. So let's go. I'll just need a little bit of oil for the first step. So first of all, you have to heat up your pot or your skillet first. That's what I did. So now I'll be needing my chicken. And right here, I'll go ahead and season the chicken right away. I have some black pepper, some garlic powder, some ginger powder. I love my meat to be well seasoned, guys. So for this dish, guys, you don't need to marinate your meat, your chicken for a long time. It's just something that you do right away. And I will let it cook. Just keep on stirring until it cooks. It turns all white. And you know that chicken is cool. Guys, can you imagine the most important thing, the sauce? So this is the sauce. So this chicken is almost done, guys. One thing about me, I like to marinate my meat and just set it aside or marinate it first before adding to my fire, to the oven or stove or whatever. But for this specific dish, this is how it goes. So the only thing I always make sure I do is I season my chicken very well, because that is how I like my meat they are well seasoned, you can enjoy. Okay, so now the chicken is all done. I'm going to transfer the chicken to a bowl and let it set aside, and I'll move to the next step. So after transferring my chicken to another a plate, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next step. Just a little bit of olive oil. This olive oil that I'm using have some garlic in it. As you can imagine, the smell right now in my chicken is heavenly. So I added the butter. As I said, the smell right here right now is awesome, guys. With my olive oil that it was infused with some garlic, the smell is out of this place, guys. I love it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion. My next thing to add is the garlic. You see how it's boiling? This is because of the butter. If it's just the oil, you will hear that noise, that phew noise. So right here, I have my almost translucent onion. So I will let this cook about 1 minute, and I'll add my jalapeno. So the next thing will be my jalapeno pepper. Normally this is supposed to be like a parsley, but I'm not a big fan of parsley. I prefer to keep the taste a little bit spicy there, the taste of the spices. So I always like to add some jalapeno pepper to feel that heat there. Of course, I am African and I love the heat inside my food. Don't get me wrong, guys. So I will let these two cook for about 1 minute, and I will go ahead and add. Okay, guys, so I forgot to show you the most important part of my recipe, which is the most important ingredient, which is the heavy whipping cream. I'm using the heavy whipping cream, so that will be the next thing to add. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my chicken first. Chicken first before my whipping cream. So guys, as we all know, as an African chief, this is my own version of the chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of my chicken bouillon, just a little bit. The color here, the smell is awesome, guys. The smell here is awesome. And quickly I am going to add my whipping cream. So with this, guys, you see the color. I'm loving this. Now I will cover it. I will cover this and let it boil about 5 minutes. So here it is. This is where we are. So now I'm gonna add the cheese now. This is the Parmesan. Now we'll be adding the Romano cheese. Oh my god, guys, I urge you to try these recipes. You will love it. You will absolutely, I'm sure you will love it, unless you are not a dairy lover. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my fettuccine pasta now. I'll be doing this step by step. A bit more. Guys, you see how creamy it is? And you can imagine the smell right now in my kitchen, guys. It's awesome. I'm not just saying it because I'm cooking it. It's so good and awesome, guys. So perfectly creamy. This is a very rich dinner that you will love to have with your loved ones. So now, so this is it. My chicken Alfredo, my own version of chicken Alfredo is done, guys. And thank you so much for watching. If you are here and this is your first time and you like this video, don't forget to squeeze yourself in as a family, Kelly Grace TV family member on YouTube. You will be amazed of what you're gonna see the next time, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm inviting you guys to come. Serving time. So guys, now I am more than ready to test this yummy plate. And before that, that's my appetizer. Tasting time. You guys are invited. Guys, I just want to tell you guys to try this recipe. Just try it and let me know, because I can't explain it enough for you guys. It's so awesome. The spice is there. You can feel the heat of the jalapeno, the creaminess of the cheese, the whipped cream, the chicken. Moist. So guys, I'm ready to go. I enjoy my plate. I'm calling you, I'm inviting you, just come on in. Let's enjoy this nice plate as a dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Be blessed and stay blessed. Bye bye. Love you.